What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that uses natural language processing to create human-like conversational dialogue. The language model can respond to questions and compose various written content, including articles, social media posts, essays, code, and emails. ChatGPT is a form of generative AI, a tool that lets users enter prompts to receive human-like images, text, or videos that are created by AI. ChatGPT is similar to the automated chat services found on customer service websites, as people can ask it questions or request clarification to ChatGPT's replies. The GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which refers to how ChatGPT processes requests and formulates responses. ChatGPT is trained with reinforcement learning through human feedback and reward models that rank the best responses. Who created ChatGPT? OpenAI, an AI research company, created and launched ChatGPT in November 2022. It was founded by a group of entrepreneurs and researchers, including Elon Musk and Sam Altman in 2015. OpenAI is backed by several investors, with Microsoft being the most notable. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT uses the GPT-3 language model, a neural network machine learning model, and the third generation of generative pre-trained transformer. The transformer pulls from a significant amount of data to formulate a response. ChatGPT uses deep learning, a subset of machine learning, to produce human-like text through transformer neural networks. The transformer predicts text, including the next word, sentence, or paragraph, based on its training data's typical sequence. Training begins with generic data, then moves to more tailored data for a specific task. What kinds of questions can users ask ChatGPT? Users can ask ChatGPT a variety of questions, including a simple or more complex question such as, "What is the meaning of life?" or "What year did New York become a state?" ChatGPT is proficient with STEM disciplines and can debug or write code. There is no limitation to the types of questions to ask ChatGPT. However, ChatGPT uses data up to the year 2021, so it has no knowledge of events and data past that year. ChatGPT is versatile and can be used for more than human conversations. Some limitations of ChatGPT include the following. ChatGPT is trained to generate words based on input. The training data ends with 2021 content. ChatGPT can provide incorrect information based on the data from which it pulls. If ChatGPT does not fully understand the query, it may also provide an inaccurate response. ChatGPT is still being trained, so feedback is recommended when an answer is incorrect. Since ChatGPT predicts the next word, it may overuse words such as the or and. ChatGPT does not provide analysis or insight into any data or statistics. ChatGPT may provide several statistics, but no real commentary on what these statistics mean or how they relate to the topic. ChatGPT is based on a data set of text. ChatGPT is not divergent and cannot shift its answer to cover multiple questions in a single response. Is ChatGPT free? The most notable limitation of the free version is access to ChatGPT when the program is at capacity. The Plus membership gives unlimited access to avoid capacity blackouts. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you receive more amazing content and help our channel to grow. Looking forward to seeing you soon.